Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? In last, my friend, you can see here 24-hour Dogecoin price will very badly dumps down. But don't worry, my friend. I will give you something very secret information. After that, I am 100% sure to in this time also you will get a very good profit. So let's start a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. And don't forget to like the video. My friend, as you can see here, first of all, the Dogecoin price is 0.25. This is the highest price, but the current price is 0.22 USD. That's mean to the price is fails down for a short time. And absolutely in last 3 days, you can see, my friend, they were very badly fails down. So therefore, I will notify you to don't wait. This is temporary fails, so don't see this fails, my friend. I hope after a short time they will again starting pumping in. They will give you a profit. Minus 7.53% in last 3 days. They were fails down, but don't worry. I hope they will recover the loss and they will starting moving upward and they will get a profit. There is a lot of chances, my friends, to price will pumps up. But here, as my friend, you could see here, I think 2 or 3 days they were more fails down, because after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore, don't worry. In the start of month every coin were fails down. So therefore, I hope they will recover this all lost in upcoming days and they will give you some very good profit now. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holders. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. My opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.